This is absolute references, and we're going to create a formula to show the percent to total for the last year's spend. I'm going to begin by clicking cell B4, typing an equal sign, clicking on cell A4, then tapping the slash for division, and then click on cell A16. So we're going to take the value in cell A4, which is 13,800, and divide it by the total spend for last year in cell A16, which is 28,620. Tap the Enter key on your keyboard and you can see rent for last year made up 48% of our total spend. Go ahead and click back on cell B4, click the Copy command, click on cell B5, and click the Paste command. And you can see we get an error code, and if you click on this warning box, it'll tell you what the error code is. This is a divide by zero error code, and you can get help on this error. You can see the calculation steps. But let's find out why this error happened. If we go back and double click on cell B5 to open up the cell, Excel changed our first cell reference to A5, and that's correct because now we want to see what percent 3,000 for our car payments represents to the total spend for last year. But we also see that the second cell reference changed as well. Excel changed this from A16 to A17, and there's nothing in cell A17. So Excel is trying to divide 3,000 by 0, and that's why we're getting the divide by 0 error code. So let's just tap the Escape key on our keyboard, and then tap the Delete key, so we can delete that formula. And then to fix this, we're going to double-click cell B4, then click right in front of the cell reference A16. You want to click right in front of the letter A, and then tap the F4 key on your keyboard. That will add a $sign in front of the letter A and a $sign in front of the row number 16. This is an absolute reference. And what this is going to do is shut off relative referencing for this cell so that when this formula is copied and pasted anywhere in the worksheet, the cell reference A16 will never be changed from relative referencing. Go ahead and tap the Enter key on your keyboard. Go back and click cell B4. Click the Copy command, and then highlight the range B5 down to B15. Click the down arrow below the Paste command, and click the Paste Formulas option. And once we do that, we can see now we have no errors, and we have percent to totals for all of the items for last year. And if you just check your cell references, you can double click on any one of these cell locations and you can see how the absolute reference works. Cell A16 was not changed as a result of relative referencing. And that is how you apply an absolute reference.